be a little bit of a difficulty. But hey, this is one type of action that the Institute has been doing recently, and I quickly want to show you some of the other things that are going on. In fact, if you go to the Immortality Institute forums, you can find this forum, the Action Forum. We actually just started this up earlier this year. It has existed in various forms in the past, but hey, go to the Action Forums and you are going to find project ideas just like this matching grant for laser ablation of lipofuscin that's going to be done by Nason Schooler down in Arizona there at IBG. As you can see, we have suggestions and project ideas, and we have projects and teams. We've got a bunch of different teams going for people who want to get active in life extension research. Yeah, I mean, the time is now, and we need people who are willing to bring up some good ideas and to volunteer to help out, and check it out sometime as you're in the forums. And now I want to move on to some other things that you can also find in the forums from time to time. Some hot life extension news. What's been going on in the last week? I saw this, I read about this. The Methuselah Foundation funding or supporting a new company, a private company, Organovo, that does organ printing. And supposedly they're one of the leaders in the field. You can go to organovo.com to find out what type of organ printing they do. Just briefly from reading about it, it seems they are able to print blood vessels. Yeah, that's pretty amazing that they can print blood vessels using, I think it's a type of inkjet printer technology, and they're dropping out cells and creating all kinds of tissues. Great little insight into where we are as far as organ replacement, because you think about all the different types of rejuvenation research that's going on across the world, and this is one of those, besides just cleaning up junk in cells and other types of genetic therapy that perhaps will help keep people healthy and live longer. Also organ replacement. I mean, just think, all of your worn out organs, if you can print a new one and replace it using your own cells, your own DNA, certainly that should have quite a rejuvenative effect. Of course, mentioning replacing organs, the main one that is going to be trouble is the brain. That's a different subject for a different show. And actually, I am trying to get on the show a researcher from England, Peter Passaro, who has done a lot of research into brain-computer interfacing. He's very familiar with the problem of the aging brain. Okay, another hot headline here, just broke in the last week. A new company, Illumina, is doing entire gene sequencing for $48,000. You can read about it there at the Immortality Institute forums, but you can go to their website too, illumina.com. They're based in San Diego. Now, they do this, an entire genome, for $48,000. You know, that's pretty expensive. Most people can't afford that. But that is only your genetic sequence. They don't do analysis. You have to go to a different company to get your gene output analyzed. But hey, it's down to $48,000. Just 2 years ago, believe it or not, when, who was it, George Church, or was it Craig Ventnor, one of those two, had their genome completely decoded. It cost $2 million. Now you can get your entire genetic data decoded for $48,000. How long before we have $1,000 genome analysis? I don't know, but maybe just another couple of years, and you would think that would also help out in the quest for rejuvenation. Okay, a lot of things going on at the Institute, and here's one thing that we've been covering over the last year or so, and that is our Folding at Home team. Folding at Home, it's a distributed computing project run through Stanford University. It predicts how proteins fold. And the longevity mean team right there in the middle, number 73, moving up the rankings, but our point output has decreased a little bit recently. We had a prize, well-funded prize, going supporting the team, and you can see that we are predicted here to move up in the next couple of weeks, up above position 70, let's say, by the end of June. We should be up to 70 or maybe 69. And the longevity meme team, join, fold, win money. Yeah, we still have some prizes to give away, some cash prizes at the end of June, and then we do have a randomly drawn prize as well. And we're looking to get some more funding as the year goes along. So check it out. If you go to the team forums, you know, the Action Forum, remember I mentioned the Action Forum at the Immortality Institute, in there you will find a longevity meme team in the team's forum there. So check it out. Read about what we're doing with Folding at Home, and join the team, and maybe win some money, win some prizes throughout the year. We have prizes every quarter. Okay, and also some other people have been busy creating new areas of outreach. This is HEALS, heals.org. It's a Healthy Life Extension Society based in Europe, and the goal to help spread the message of life extension to French and Dutch-speaking areas of Europe. But you also notice at the top there, they do have an English section of the website. It doesn't have quite as much information as the French and Dutch sections, but check it out. Do some reading here. They're doing some great work in there, and oftentimes some of the people in HEALS are here in the chat as well. Hello Sven, hello Angelique, who are here with the program tonight. Here you see the Life Aid Against Aging concert. That's coming up September 12th in Ninove, Belgium. Check it out. If you're in Europe, stop on by. It's going to be a fun time. You can see got some great bands lined up. And you know, there's a lot of other things on the website as well. Also, HEALS is starting a journal of biogerontology for students, and they would like to put out a call for papers and also for peer reviewers, people to review the papers that are submitted to the HEALS Journal of Biogerontology, HJB. That's a boy. HEALS is really getting off to a fast start, doing some great work. Awesome job, everyone, there at HEALS, and hopefully I'll be seeing you later this summer in September, or in the fall, I guess. Late summer, you could call it, in September, over there for the Life Aid concert. And another group that, another couple of members at the Immortality Institute started up, and that is Temetics.org, the Team Foundation. They are focusing more on the computational side of aging research, just kind of getting going with Temetics.org. They've got a little blog roll going now, kind of discussing some of the things that are going on in the world of artificial intelligence and computational biology, those type of things. And you can go there, read what TEAM is and what they're hoping to do. It's another organization that is focused on undergraduate science and research, and they do, like I mentioned, hope to use computational biology and artificial intelligence to help research into human rejuvenation, but all other types of problems are under the umbrella as well here. But check it out, Temetics.org. Read some of the blog comments there and some of the blogs that they have put together, and maybe you can help out. They're looking to get some microfinance going to try to fund some research projects for undergrads. And also check out heals.org. Yeah, go read, go send them a little message, and hopefully see you at the concert later on September 12th in Europe. Okay, well, that is all I have here for tonight. A wonderful guest, Nason Schooler, and coming up hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll have another great guest on the Sunday Evening Update. Otherwise, stay tuned. I'll stick around a little bit here after the show just to kind of chit-chat a bit. We always have a little bit of fun after the official recording is over. And I want to thank everyone for showing up tonight on the Sunday Evening Update. That is it for me. Be sure to stay tuned to this channel and to further programs in the future. June 21st, June 28th, I'll let you know if we have any guests indeed. I've got quite a few on the list, and you know, I'll be working it hard to try and get some good guests here on the show. So have a good evening, everyone.